in our life, the greatest thing that we can achieve in our life is a correct vision. If we can have a correct vision, that is the greatest thing that we can gain in our life. How can we gain this vision, correct vision? If you have love in your heart, you always have the correct thought and correct vision comes together. If you have the desire, you have greed, anger and ignorance. But in love, there is no greed, no anger at all. In love, there is loving kindness, compassion and joy and equanimity. Love always exists in sacrifice. Sacrifice, you have sharing, pleasant speech, constructive activity and equality. So, in our life, we have two channels. One is love, other one is desire. So the desire controls us, but love can control within you. You can control everything outside. But desire, outside forces can control you. So we must understand how to gain correct vision. If you have the correct vision, you will have correct thought, correct action, the Eight Noble Path you will get. So, Metta you have correct vision and thought, Karuna you have loving kindness, you have correct action and correct word. In joy you have correct life and correct effort. In equanimity you have correct mindfulness and correct state of mind. So peace of mind you will get. So we have two things in our life, that anything you can touch with your hands you can find from outside, but things that you can't touch with your hands, everything is within us. The love, joy, satisfaction, the truth and everything you can't touch. The things that you can't touch, you can give. The more you give, the more you will have. The person whom you love, you can touch, but love itself you can't touch. So we must understand this. So the qualities what we have is unlimited. The more you give, the more you will have. So we must give love, we must give joy, we must give satisfaction, peace. Everything we give, we will get. If you talk about peace, peace in body is health, peace in heart is joy, peace in mind is trust, peace in brain is wisdom, peace in nature is balance, peace in humanity is satisfaction, peace in country is unity, peace in world is development. So peace is the solution of everything. So I have written couple of books. Wonder of Life is one book. It says about 16 wonders that we have in our life. The world has 7 wonders, and with our country Sigiriya it has become 8 wonders. But we have 16 wonders. And then there is another book, Gift of Love. So the Shakespeare told love is blind, I told desire is blind. Only love and wisdom can open the eye of the heart, and love is transparent. So what Shakespeare told is also correct. Because everything has two sides. One side is blind, other side is transparent. Love is beautiful, beauty is not love. So you can see my website and you can read my books, and you will get more information, and you can open your third eye and I can tell you, in our life, to have a better living, correct vision is the most important thing, and correct vision is always comes through loving kindness. Please understand this reality in our life. The desire and love. The desire has only greed and anger, that brings greed and anger, lust and ignorance. So you can be successful if you live with love to love, love to live. Thank you very much.